Hello students, in this video we are going to learn a very important concept in chemical kinetics, molecularity of a reaction. Now let's see what is molecularity. So it is the number of molecules of reactants taking part in a reaction. In simple words, it actually tells us how many molecules are involved in a single step of a reactants. That is, this is the another definition for molecularity. It is the total number of reactant species it is the total number of reactant species involved in a single step. Okay, it is the total number of reactant species involved in a single step. And another one important thing is it is a theoretical concept. And the molecularity can neither be zero nor fractional. And also the molecularity can never be a negative value. So these are the important points to remember in the molecularity, students. So molecularity is the number of reactant species involved in a reaction, and also it is a theoretical concept, and molecularity cannot be zero, fractional and a negative value. Okay, let's take some examples to understand this better. So in the first equation we have dissociation of the nitrogen pentoxide, that is N2O5 gives N2O4 plus half O2. According to the molecularity concept, molecularity is the value of the reactant species only. So here the number of molecules present in the reactant side is only one, right? So the molecularity of this reactant will be, so the molecularity of this reaction will be 1 because there is only one reactant involved in this reaction. So this can also be called as unimolecular reaction. Okay, now let's proceed to the second equation. 2Hi gives H2 plus I2. In molecularity, we only consider the number of reactant species. Here the reactant species is Hi, right? And the stoichiometric coefficient here is 2. So there is two molecules of Hi is reacting to form a H2 plus I2. Okay, so here the molecularity will be 2 because there are two Hi molecules reacting. Okay, so this type of reaction is known as bimolecular. This type of reaction is known as bimolecular reaction because here there are two molecules are involved and the molecularity is 2. Now let's move on to the third example. Here we have 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. Here we have two reactants, right? One is NO and the other one is O2. Here the molecularity will be, we have two NO molecules. So the total molecularity of this reaction will be, so the number of molecules present here are two NO molecules and one O2 molecules. So totally there are three molecules are present. So the molecularity will be 3. As the molecularity is 3, the reaction is said to be trimolecular reaction. Okay students, I hope you have understood what is molecularity. The only important thing you have to remember is molecularity is the number of the molecules in the reactant side, the number of the molecules that is reacting to form a product. Okay, so it can be a unimolecular, bimolecular, or trimolecular reaction or anything. I hope you understood this video. So if this video helped you understand molecularity clearly, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.